Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's video I will be doing how I edit my thumbnail. That's what I'm gonna be doing now. Okay, so first step is, I usually take my thumbnails on my phone or on my camera. That's why I'm using my phone right now to vlog. For the meantime, because I'm gonna need to transfer my photos from this camera to here, you need one of these adapters. You can just get these. This is my brother. I usually just borrow it from him, but you can get it at Amazon. I don't know how to call these, but I'll link it down below. You can use your phone to do this, okay? You don't need an iPad to do this, but it's usually easier for me since it's a bigger screen. I have my iPad here with me. So, first step. Okay, so now that you have your iPad, your camera, and your adapter, you're gonna need to take your SD card, connect this to your iPad, or you can just take your photo straight from your phone and edit it there. This one's broken. Like, I'm scared to use this because if you look at the cord, it's broken. I don't know if it's safe, but let's just do it anyway. So yeah, you connect it, insert the SD card here. I'm gonna screen. Are you kidding? You guys, my iPad is dead. I need to charge it. There we go. Now I'm back to my main camera. This is how it's going. So since I have all my photos there now, I'm gonna go to Canva. I'm gonna screen record. I swear every time I vlog, this is just how it is. It's so chaotic. I don't know what I'm doing. It's always like that. And I'm hungry. Still haven't eaten, you know. You guys know what time it is? 4:38. I still haven't had breakfast or lunch. And it's screen recording now. Yeah, let's go. So now I usually go to search and search up YouTube thumbnails for the template. There's so many different ones that you can choose from. You can even search up aesthetic there, and yeah, there's so many. Oh, this one's cute. Oh, this one's cute. And then you just basically delete, and then you go to upload. You go to upload files, photo library, and yeah, you have all your photos there, which you can just select. So I stopped screen recording there because I usually like to edit my photos before. First, I'm gonna select the photos I want on my camera roll on my phone. So I'm gonna be doing on my phone. My mom's out there. I'm vlogging. Oh yeah. 4:45. Okay, break time. I'm gonna order some food right now. Bucket. So my mom wants KFC. Anong drinks? Sago. Sago na drinks. Milk tea. Okay, I won't say no to that. I'm gonna get some bubble tea. Wow, nag-break pa talaga before gumawa ng vlog. I might continue this later, you know, guys, because I am hungry. Like what my mom said, it's 4:40. And I've been vlogging all day long. I did a get ready with me, and now I'm doing this. And now I'm gonna order some bubble tea. Bubble tea is life. I'm gonna get my mocha specialty. Large ice blended, 100% ice, 0.5 sweetness, tapioca pearls. Let's go. I think my mom wants taro. She usually gets a taro anyway, so I'll get her that. Okay, hi. I've just eaten a bit because I'm starving. Now that I have my photos here, I'm gonna go to Canva, go to upload file, select the photos I want, and just arrange it. So I think I want this one here maybe, and you can just like arrange it like that. And then I want this middle one to be this, then this one to be this. You just adjust it to where you want it. Don't know if I like that, or okay, I got it. So I'm gonna edit this one. It depends how I'm editing it. Sometimes, you know, I don't have a plan, and then when I'm doing it, just, you know, I'm like, oh wait, this is gonna look good, and then I just do that. Okay, then you put the layers here. I'm gonna put it forward so it can be there. And the bato, should I put it? No, I kind of like it there. Let me just delete this for a minute. No, I don't like that. You really just have to play around. Like that. I don't like that either. So I'm gonna swap this to put this here. I'm gonna delete this because this isn't the one I want. And then put this there. Just arrange it. This vlog has honestly been like on and off, on and off. I have my bubble tea now. Screen recording 2, 1, 0. So this is where I'm going with this. I kind of want a different font. Should I stick with this font? I usually go for Chewy ata yan. I think it's called Chewy, the font. Chewy. And then I go to here to space out the letterings to the letterings of the letterings. I don't know. Put it in the middle. I like the other font more. So let's see. I like this font more. So I'm gonna use this one instead. I need it to pop up. So yeah, you just experiment. Color. You can experiment with the color too. Effects.
I need to make it brighter. Oh, where did I go? I like this one. No, with the shadow.
But you can make it glow. Like that. And I wanna like do the sparkly thing. So I'm gonna go to element. Search up sparkle. I'm sorry. Excuse me for that. Oh, look at this one. This one's so adorable. I cannot. Then I'm gonna do little sparkles. This makes me happy, you know. Doing things like this, it's just so nice. Okay, what else can I add? Look, there's like cool fonts here too. If you don't know what your style is. And I can say, while I talk about
Moving to the UK at a young age.
I will just leave it like that. That's it. Okay na yan. And then what I do next is I go to this one, download. Downloading the image right now. And then I just have to click save image. Now I can check if it's really downloaded. See, it's right there. Ta-da! Oh yeah, I hope that helped. If it didn't, I'm sorry, but yeah, that's basically how I edit my thumbnails on Canva. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.